SDF case files.
The murder trial of Keith Sullivan has ended in a mistrial. Accused of fatally shooting his neighbor, Gregory Bagwell, in a case that drew public and media scrutiny, Sullivan's defense has now entered a new phase. Central to his defense is a high-profile legal team, spearheaded by Alabama attorney Nicholas Sparks and bolstered by the expertise of the New York-based firm Raiser Kenniff, who are all part of the self-defense fund team of attorneys in all 50 states. In May 2023, Keith Sullivan, a respected music teacher with no prior record, found himself charged with the murder of his neighbor, Gregory Bagwell. Bagwell was known locally for erratic and dangerous behavior. Sullivan maintained that his actions were in self-defense under the stand your ground doctrine. However, despite his insistence that he was protecting his home and family, jurors struggled to reach a unanimous verdict. After days of lengthy testimony from eyewitnesses, law enforcement, and forensic experts, the jury found itself deadlocked on both murder and manslaughter charges. The judge declared a mistrial, a decision that now sets the stage for a retrial scheduled for October 2025. At the heart of Sullivan's defense is Alabama attorney Nicholas Sparks, a courtroom veteran with extensive experience across the state. In this case, he has not only been the lead voice in the courtroom, but also a reassuring presence for Sullivan's family and supporters.
Keith is innocent. This was an absolutely extreme set of circumstances, and this is a tragedy, but it's not murder, it's not manslaughter.
Working alongside Sparks is the renowned legal team from Raiser Kenniff. Known for their previous successes, including the recent high-profile acquittal of Daniel Penny, they have joined forces with Sparks to challenge the state's evidence. According to press releases and news coverage, one of the key strategic moves has been scrutinizing the jury process itself. For example, there was a motion to dismiss a juror due to alleged undisclosed ties with the district attorney's office. Although that motion was denied, it highlights the defense team's vigilance in ensuring that the trial is not tainted by any potential bias. They argue that the evidence presented by the prosecution does not conclusively prove that Sullivan's actions fell outside the bounds of self-defense. They contend that Bagwell's own long criminal history and aggressive behavior over the years have been well documented by community members and police reports alike. In the coming months, all eyes will be on the retrial as both sides prepare their next moves. For supporters of Keith Sullivan and advocates of robust legal defense like Self-Defense Fund, the case remains a testament to the enduring importance of fairness and due process in our judicial system.
Self-Defense Fund members are protected by award-winning attorneys and their legal teams.